Hello guys, today we will learn about the data types in JavaScript. So there are two types of data type. One is primitive data type, and another one is non-primitive data types. Right? Primitive data types and non-primitive data types. So primitive data types are like here, if we consider this 45 or this 45.5. This both belongs to same data type which we called as number in JavaScript. Now another data type is string. If we consider name or if we consider a single character, this both will be considered inside a data type called string inside a JavaScript. Now there is third type which is called BigInt. Big integer we called it BigInt. So some random value, and in last if we put n, this will become BigInt. Now the third type, these are the third type. Then there is a Boolean values which is true and false. Okay, and there is another data type which we called as null and undefined. So what is the difference between null and undefined? So null is used when we intentionally wanted. When we intentionally wanted that some variable will not carry any value, then we are using null. And when by mistake or unintentionally, if we don't give some value to a variable, it will give me undefined. Now let's learn it with the example. So what I want is, suppose I declared a variable name here, and now I don't declare some value. Oh, sorry, I don't initialize some value to it, right? Now, if I print name here, I got undefined. So, what is undefined? If I unintentionally don't give any value to a variable, then on printing that inside console, we get undefined. Now, what I want is I declared the variable and I intentionally want I don't have to put any value inside that variable. Then we are using null. So it will give me null. So this is the difference between null and name. And there is a popular interview question is that what is the type of this null? So the type is, if we see the type of null is basically object. I don't know why it's object, but it will. So this is all about the basic primitive data types. So thank you guys.